Here we have a 2017 Ford Transit Custom. We've got 4 16-inch alloy wheels on this van, as you can see just there. Coming around to the front, there's a look at the bodywork. We do have both front and rear parking sensors on this car with visual display. We've then got our colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles with the privacy glass and pop-out window for the rear passengers. We've then got our roof rails on top just there. Taking a step down, we've got our third alloy wheel there, as you can see, excellent condition. As we come to the rear, we have got the spoiler just there. We've then got a tow bar as well on this vehicle. I'll open up so we see the back. Very tidy example this. I must add that this vehicle's only had one previous owner, so there's a look. We've got carpeted rear doors and then carpet on the walls and ceiling as well. Great amount of space and a really tidy example, as you can see. We do have a bulkhead to fit across here. I've got that just across there at the moment. We've just taken that out to give it an extra thorough clean for doing the photos and video. Now, close that up, make our way around. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And I'll go to show you the inside. Starting at the back here, we've got the full fabric free seats just here. We do have ISO fixed points in these seats and they're in very good condition. We've then got 3 interior lights, 1, 2 and 3. We've got hooks either side for whatever you may want to hang. We've then got our good amount of foot space just there. Now we do have the pop-out windows. I'll show you an example of one just there. We've got those on both sides, and both sides do have sliding doors, as you can see. Now going into the front, we have got the same 3 fabric seats, again in excellent condition. We've got a fold down armrest here in the middle with 2 cup holders just there. We've got a huge amount of storage spaces in here. Let's go through, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with 12 volt connectivity, 8, and they just keep going on. Really great amount of storage in the front here. Now on the door, we've got electric power folding wing mirrors, very good option to have on these vehicles. We've then got the electric windows as well as lock and unlock buttons with the integrated speakers. Step inside, got the key out. Now as you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 56,300 miles, and I'll start it up so you can see we don't have any warning lights on the dashboard either. Got fuel low, no problem at all. There we go, no warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel for different controls whilst we're on the go, like phone or volume controls. We've got both speed limiter and cruise control on the left here, and then we do have automatic lights on the right there as well. Now coming up, we've got a button for our parking sensors, as well as a heated windscreen just there too. Now coming into the middle, our infotainment screen, we've got DAB radio, as well as both FM and AM. We've then got our media, different sources. We've got Bluetooth, as well as auxiliary, mobile apps, and CD. We've then got phone connectivity, so you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and either make calls or listen to music. And now if we come down, we do have our controls here. Very easy to use, very easy to navigate. Once you've had a mess with this for 5 minutes, you'll be very familiar. I'll just show you here, if we do put the vehicle into reverse, we do have the visual display just there. Now as you come down, we've then got some 12 volt connectivity. We've got our climate zone controls with air conditioning, and then some more storage spaces on the left there. We do also have the 6-speed manual gearbox, which changes like a dream. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this Ford Transit Custom. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and show you that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have cruise control with this vehicle, very good feature to have in a van like this. So we simply activate it by pressing cruise, pressing set, and I'm now cruising at 50 miles an hour. Easy as that. To deactivate this, I'll simply press press cancel and we're back to manual control. We've then got our 6-speed manual gearbox just here. So I'm currently in 5th gear, down to 6th, back down into 5th, into 4th, and back into 5th. And as you can tell from my body movement, surroundings outside, completely seamless transitions, no awkward noises, no knocks or bangs of any kind. Now I am slowing down now for the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn, as if you were here with us today. And it's a good point to talk about the potential uses of this van. I mean, you've got the crew cab conversion, so you have got 6 seats in this vehicle, plenty of, a lot more than most vans. Obviously most vans you do just have the 3 front seats, but you've got the 3 in the back, as well as a huge amount of space behind there in the rear as well. So if you want to use it as a family car and work vehicle, no problem at all. Bikes in at the weekend, work stuff in during the week, no problems at all. Very versatile van, great having those 6 seats. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge effect on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we were quite well prepared. We have adjusted our delivery ever so slightly now to make it contactless, and what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. And we are a 5-star dealership here at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check these reviews out, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family. It even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and show you that the vehicle reverses exactly how you would expect. So 3, 2, 1. Very sharp brakes, as you can tell just there. Pop the vehicle into reverse. You've got a visual display of front and rear parking sensors just there, all working exactly how you would expect. Now, this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with a vehicle, want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but feel free to book an appointment to come view the vehicle. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video test drive, or the video walk around, then again, get in touch. We'd be more than happy to help you out however we can. But other than that, that is all from me. Other than the fact that part exchanges are also welcome, just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And yes, that is all from me. So thank you very much for watching.